Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to make money with Leonardo AI. Passive income with Leonardo AI. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now the way to earn money with Leonardo that we will be exploring in today's video is by creating t-shirts design. Now, there are a lot of applications for Leonardo. You could use its ability to generate any type of images based on your prompts to create amazing output. So, you are not limited to creating t-shirts designs. You could create artworks, you could create mugs, any type of product that you could apply and put the artwork on, you could start selling them. But for today's video, we will be focusing on how you could use Leonardo AI to start earning income by creating a t-shirt design that you could start selling in any type of e-commerce platform. For example, you could start selling it on Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. You could also create your own shop by creating a Shopify account. Any e-commerce platform that you can think of, you could start selling Leonardo AI artworks. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to have to do is, of course, go to Leonardo AI. You will be able to access this by simply typing in leonardo.ai and then going to their application. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to the image generation, and this is where we will start generating our image. Now keep in mind that you need to think of a topic that you will be creating. You could create a lot of different types of topic if you want, but I suggest that you research, look for a specific theme that are famous or trending right now in Amazon or eBay, depending on what platform you're going to start selling. Look for different products, look for different themes, and then start creating or use that as a reference or an idea on what type of design you're going to create. Now, for example, for us, we're going to go to Amazon and then let's see what type of t-shirt design is available right now. Let's simply type t-shirt on the list over here, click on search. And as you can see here, these are plain t-shirts. Let's say, for example, I would like a topic that is related to ocean. Then click on enter. And let's see. As you can see here, lots of people or lots of products are available for the ocean topic. You can see that there are a lot of sales for designs over here. You could use them as an idea for what you're going to generate. You could expand your research using other applications, other platform. The research is completely up to you, but for us, we're simply going to focus on how we could proceed and start selling. Now, the other platform that we will be using to create our t-shirt mockups is using Printify over here, which would allow us to put our product or our artwork over here generated by Leonardo in virtually any product available in this section. As you can see, we have men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, accessories, and home living over here, which is a lot of products that we could add our artwork on. But for today's video, we will be focusing on t-shirt. So let's get started. Now I'm going to give you a tip to create amazing design. Now, like I said earlier, you're going to have to think of a topic. Now, our topic would be, let's say, a cute animal. Then, you're going to look through the community feed over here. Let's look through the different artworks presented by the community, and you could copy their prompts and then start creating your own artwork. For example, over here, we have this very detailed design over here that you could use as an inspiration for you to generate your own output, and you can simply copy their prompt over here. But for us, we're going to look for another design. Let's say this one over here. This is a very good design and I really like this one. So you could use this as a design for your t-shirt. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the prompt by simply clicking on copy prompt. And then we're going to go to Leonardo, go over here, paste it in this section as you can see. And then we could change the information, like instead of a cat, we could change it to a something else. For example, we could change it to an otter or another type of animal, maybe a horse, depending on what you would like. And you could check out the different information. The model used is Leonardo Diffusion. Let's see if it is available for us. We have this one. And as you can see, we're simply going to copy what is being used by the user over here. After that, we're simply going to generate. And after generating, as you can see, it's being generated over here. Let's see if we will be able to copy the style or this type of output generated by our Yips user over here. And let's see, let's give it a few seconds over here. It's going to take a while. And as you can see here, we have our very cool character of an author over here that we will be able to use to generate as a t-shirt design. Now, when creating our element over here, you're not limited to whatever is available in the prompt over here. You could also add information. For example, I could add an information that it is a sticker. Then click on generate, and then we could also change the model over here. There is a lot of different models. The default models are Dreamshaper V5 until Stable Diffusion 2.1. You could choose custom models as well if you would like to explore those options. But as you can see, we were able to replicate the design that we have over here, and this is another type of design. I don't think we were able to incorporate the sticker that I have added over here, but let's try this once again. I'm going to use model over here, sticker, then add sticker to our text once again, and then click on generate, and let's see if we will be able to generate a sticker effect like this one over here. After we get the result that we are trying to get, we could go to Printify and start creating our output. So let's set this up. Let's go with men's clothing, t-shirt, and then over here there are a lot of options over here. You are also free to use Printify if you would like, because this is one of my favorites to generating mockups and connecting it to different store. You could connect your different store over here by simply clicking on this section, and as you can see, I have eBay, Etsy, and Shopify over here that I could connect and start selling to. So we're simply going to select a simple design over here, and we're going to give it a second, and we're simply going to select a print provider. You could choose any option that you want. So over here, this is where we will be able to start editing and uploading our design to create our design. So we're going to go here. As you can see, I think it didn't really get the style that we are trying to aim for, but let's settle with the one that we have created over here. For example, this one over here. And the goal is to do a lot of trial and error, like I said over here, like what we did, because a lot of times you will get amazing artwork like this, but you are potentially able to create even better. So you could do trial and error until you get something that is very satisfying. But for us, we're going to settle with the ones that we have generated first over here. This one, simply going to download this. You could also go to Canva to remove the background, or any platform out there, any website that would allow you to remove a background of the image. But for now, we're going to go with Canva, and then we're going to remove the background and then upload them in Printify over here. This is our design over here. We're simply going to remove our background. You can see this is our background over here. Then we're simply going to download this as a PNG. It's like that, transparent background, download, and then we're going to upload it to Printify over here. Now in this section, using Printify is very easy. You can add your designs from devices, custom text, Shutterstock, Dropbox, or Google Drive over here. It is completely up to you. And we're going to upload our design just like this by simply dragging it into our screen. And we're going to give it some time to upload our design. And as you can see here, we have our design over here. We're going to wait for it to load, and just like that, you can now enlarge it just like this, and just like that. Now we have a very cool design of an author on a t-shirt over here. You could also add it to the backside if you want. You could also click on preview, and you will be able to see a mock-up of your design of your t-shirt design over here, which is this one. Just give it a few seconds. It's going to take a while because there is a lot of mock-ups available over here. And as you can see here, we have our mockups over here. We have different models that could present our character. You could also choose from the different options over here on the right side, different point of views. You have person 1 until person 6, and then lifestyle and duo over here. And this is an example. After being satisfied with your design over here, you can simply click on save product and then proceed on publishing your product to your different store over here. As you can see, you can simply edit your title, your description, all of this information, your pricing for your different variants over here, and then you can simply connect your store over here. You could connect your eBay, Etsy, Amazon, any store that you have in e-commerce. And that's it, guys. That's how you will be able to start earning with Leonardo.ai. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.